Imagine watching your favorite meme coin plunge 18% in a single day while its burn rate drops by a staggering 97.77%. Shiba Inu, SHIB, is sending shockwaves through the market, and a cryptic 23-second video from lead developer Satoshi Kusama hints at a seismic shift on the horizon. Could this be the calm before an explosive turnaround? Stay tuned to find out what these dramatic numbers mean for Shib's future and whether now is the time to brace for impact or seize a golden opportunity. Hey everyone, welcome back to TJ Crypto, your prime destination for in-depth crypto insights and market breakdowns. I'm your name, and today we're dissecting the wild ride that Shiba Inu is on right now. If you're passionate about understanding every twist and turn of the crypto markets, you're in the right place. Before we dive deep, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any of our exclusive updates. In today's video, we're covering the shocking 18% price crash of Shib and what it signals for future moves, a dramatic 97.77% plunge in Shib's burn rate and how it might affect supply dynamics, key technical indicators like the RSI reading of 24.94, showing that bears are dominating the scene, a mysterious video from Satoshi Kusama that promises something big is coming to shake up the Shib ecosystem. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what these numbers mean, the crucial support levels Shib must reclaim, and whether this dip is just a temporary setback or the start of something bigger. Let's get into it. Shiba Inu's turbulent ride, analysis and predictions. 1. Shib's recent turmoil, an 18% plunge. Over the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu has taken a severe hit, plummeting 18% to trade at approximately $0.00001449. This isn't just a random fluctuation, it reflects broader market sentiment and technical pressure. Intraday lows dropped to nearly $0.000014, highlighting intense selling pressure. The massive decline is further underscored by an astonishing 317% surge in trading volume, indicating panic and frantic repositioning by traders. 2. The burn rate breakdown, a 97.77% collapse. In parallel with the price crash, Shib's burn rate, an important metric that shows how many tokens are being removed from circulation, has collapsed by 97.77% in the last day. Nearly 700k Shib tokens were burned, but compared to previous rates, this is a dramatic slowdown. Burn events, like the one celebrating the debut of Shib Torch v2, which saw about a billion tokens burned, have been a cornerstone of Shib's deflationary model. This sudden drop in burn rate could indicate a shift in tokenomics or market sentiment. 3. Technical indicators, bears are in control. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for Shib is currently at 24.94, signaling an oversold condition. An RSI this low means that, technically, the bears have seized control. However, oversold conditions often set the stage for a potential rebound as traders start buying the dip. Additionally, key support must be reclaimed, specifically, Shib needs to find support at $0.000020 to turn the tide. 4. The mysterious message, Satoshi Kusama's 23-second video. In a brief yet intriguing video, lead developer Satoshi Kusama dropped hints that something big is coming. Strategic pivot might be imminent. Kusama's cryptic message has many wondering if new developments could catalyze a recovery or a new phase for Shib. 5. Macro perspective, Shib's position in the market cycle. Despite the recent chaos, technical analysis suggests that Shib is still operating within a larger bullish framework, specifically, within macro wave 3 of the Elliott wave cycle. According to analysts, macro wave 3 is typically the longest and most dynamic phase, where prices can rally dramatically if key supports hold. The Fibonacci retracement range between 0.618 and 0.786 or roughly $0.000015 to $0.000016 is critical. Shib has breached these levels but is now attempting to reclaim them. Should Shib manage to stabilize above these zones, it could set the stage for a robust recovery and a sharp upward surge. 6. On-chain metrics, a decline in engagement. Data from Into the Block shows worrying trends in Shib's on-chain activity, new addresses down by 34.03% over the past week. Active addresses declined by 21.06%, suggesting fewer participants are interacting with the network. Zero balance addresses dropped by 28.76%, indicating reduced speculative activity. These statistics signal that the current price retracement is accompanied by a slowdown in network engagement. Without renewed user interest, recovery might be tougher to sustain. 7. Ownership dynamics: who's buying and who's selling? The changes in Shib's ownership are giving us mixed signals. While holdings have dropped by 0.76%, hinting that large investors might be reducing their exposure. Conversely, mid-sized investor activity increased by 6.37%, showing that a new wave of players might be stepping in to buy the dip. However, retail participation is down by 1.99%, suggesting that smaller investors are growing cautious. This divergent behavior means that while the market's big players are showing some confidence, the overall sentiment among everyday traders remains uncertain. 8. What's next for Shib? Potential scenarios ahead. Given the current landscape, there are several potential paths for Shiba Inu. Scenario 1, a strong rebound if Shib manages to reclaim the support zone of $0.000015, $0.000016. This could signal the end of the bearish phase. With renewed network activity and increased buying from mid-sized investors, Shib might launch into a rally, potentially targeting previous highs. In this case, technical indicators in macro wave 3 would validate the bullish structure, igniting a substantial upward move. Scenario 2, a prolonged correction if Shib fails to hold these key levels, the bearish pressure could persist, leading to further declines. A breakdown below $0.000014 could trigger additional sell-offs as confidence wanes. Continued weak on-chain engagement would reinforce the bearish outlook, causing Shib to test even lower support levels. Scenario 3, consolidation phase. Shib might stabilize in a narrow trading range between $0.000014 and $0.000016 as the market absorbs recent volatility. During this period, the price might not move dramatically until a catalyst, such as renewed network activity or a significant update from the core team, provides direction. Consolidation, in this scenario, could set the stage for a larger move once market sentiment shifts decisively. 9. Strategic considerations for investors. For those invested in Shib or considering a position, here's what to watch closely. Support levels: monitoring the $0.000015, $0.000016 zone is critical. A sustained hold here could be a green light for a recovery. On-chain activity: a rebound in new and active addresses would indicate renewed network interest. Volume trends: increased trading volume, especially if accompanied by rising prices, would suggest that buyers are stepping in. Market sentiment: keep an eye on broader market trends and key news from influential voices. A resurgence in retail participation could signal a shift in momentum. If you're finding this analysis valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to TJ Crypto for more detailed breakdowns of the market's biggest moves. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you're always the first to know when new insights drop. What's your take on Shib's current dip? Do you think the bulls will reclaim control, or are we in for further corrections? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. In conclusion, Shiba Inu is at a pivotal crossroads. After a dramatic 21% decline over the past week, Shib is fighting to reclaim its critical support levels within the macro wave 3 structure. The ability to hold the $0.000015, $0.000016 range will be crucial for sparking a recovery. Meanwhile, on-chain metrics and shifting investor behaviors offer mixed signals that add to the uncertainty. For long-term holders, this dip might represent a prime opportunity to accumulate more Shib, provided that the underlying bullish structure remains intact. For short-term traders, vigilant risk management is key as you watch these support zones closely. Remember, the market is dynamic, and while technical indicators can provide valuable insights, staying updated on both technical and fundamental developments is essential. As Shib approaches its next critical phase, every bit of engagement, from active trading to community participation, will play a role in shaping its future. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into Shiba Inu's current market dynamics. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And be sure to check out my other videos on TJ Crypto where we analyze the latest trends and opportunities in the crypto space. Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.